The Tycho crater is one of the most famous and easily recognizable impact craters on the Moon. It is relatively young, geologically speaking, having formed about 108 million years ago. What makes it so distinctive are its bright rays, which extend for thousands of kilometers in all directions. Much like the spokes of a wheel, these rays are actually material ejected during the impact that created the crater, and have not yet been darkened by the constant bombardment of micrometeorites. Why is it so special? Visibility. The Tycho crater is so bright that you can see it even with the naked eye during a full moon as a small, bright spot in the lower part of the Moon, the southern hemisphere. The view is even more impressive with a small telescope. Studying lunar geology. Its relatively young age makes it an ideal laboratory for studying the lunar surface. Scientists can study the process of crater formation, the distribution of ejected material, and even make inferences about the composition of the lunar crust. Name. The crater is named after the famous 16th century Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe, whose precise observations of the stars and planets paved the way for later discoveries. How to observe it? The best time to observe the Tycho crater is during a full moon. That's when its bright rays are most noticeable. If you have binoculars or a telescope, point it toward the southern hemisphere of the Moon and look for the brightest star on the lunar surface. That's Tycho. Next time you look at the Moon, take a moment to look for the Tycho crater. It is not only an impressive sight, but also a reminder of the dynamic history of our celestial neighbor.